Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 4 and today I'm going to show you how to change the straps on this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And you can pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, you will be able to release the strap. So basically you grab it, pull on it, it will come out from one side, and then you can pull it out from the other. Same for the other side, so you just pull on it, and then take it out. And here we have our straps and our watch separated. And if you want to attach new straps, let's say you have a new straps and you want to attach them, you grab the strap, you take the side opposite from the lever and you insert it into a hole on the watch, like this. Then you align it a bit with another hole, pull on the lever to retract the pin. Once you pull on it and retract it, push it in, release it, and it will hold. Quite simple. Insert it on one side, align it, pull on the lever, push it in, release it, it will click in, and it will hold. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.